flexi-time friendly Finland, and a 35-hour work week by law in France are coming up. Welcome back to Expat Riches in these 15 countries in 2025. In Part 2, we looked at charming Belgium and hassle-free Canada. The first country in Part 3 has consistently earned the honor of being named the happiest in the world. I'm of course talking about Finland, famous for its public saunas, glass igloos, and the Northern Lights. Opportunities and income. In-demand jobs are in IT, healthcare, data science, project management, marketing, business analysis, environmental science, education, and engineering. The average monthly salary is $5,500 to $7,500, and the gross wage is $66,000 to $90,000 annually. Bonuses are common across the board. Expenses. The cost of living is $2,500 to $3,500 per month, but Helsinki costs more. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in downtown Helsinki costs $1,300 to $2,200 per month, while buying costs $5,500 to $8,500 per square meter. Tax breaks. Finland has treaties with many countries to avoid double taxation that expats can benefit from. There is a program for highly skilled foreign workers where they can apply for a flat tax rate for up to 4 years. Finland taxes residents on their worldwide income, and expats may have to pay tax on their foreign income if they meet the residency criteria. The average income tax is 30 to 50%, which includes social security contributions. Finnish work culture values punctuality, honesty, and a strong work ethic. The work environment tends to be quiet and orderly. Likelihood that you will get promoted, moderate. Factors. Finland's economy is driven by innovation, especially in tech and engineering. While expats may be promoted, success often depends on building strong networks and acquiring fluency in Finnish or Swedish, particularly in smaller companies. Culture shock. The reserved communication style and the strong emphasis on personal space and quietness could be an adjustment. Social support. Finland is generally welcoming to expats, especially in cities like Helsinki. There are various expat groups, both social and professional, and support services for newcomers to help integrate into society. Government support. Finland offers integration programs including Finnish language courses, orientation to life in Finland, and access to social services. Many expats also find support through local community organizations. Healthcare. Expats need to register with the Finnish social insurance system, Kela, which gives you access to very affordable public healthcare. The maximum amounts that you will need to contribute are $56 for a doctor's visit, $75 for a specialist, and $86 per day in hospital. Languages. Finnish and Swedish are the official languages, but English is widely spoken. Finnish communication tends to be reserved and indirect. Finland's education system is one of the best in the world, with a focus on equality and student well-being. Primary and secondary education are free for expats. University tuition is free for EU EEA students. For non-EU EEA students, tuition ranges from $4,000 to $19,000 per year. Safety, rights, and government. Finland is a very safe country. Expats do not have the same legal rights as Finnish citizens, but they are protected by labor laws, anti-discrimination laws, and they have access to public services. It has a human rights score of 9 out of 10 and is classified as a full democracy. Climate. The average temperature of Helsinki is -5 degrees Celsius in winter and 18 in summer, 41 and 64.4 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas Espoo, which is close to Helsinki, averages the same temperatures. Holidays. Expats can enjoy 15 public holidays per year, which you can spend sleeping under the Northern Lights, stroll around many of Finland's wooden towns, or explore its breathtaking national parks. Finland is one of the best countries for quality of life due to its excellent education system, strong healthcare, low crime rates, and beautiful nature. It is also known for its emphasis on work-life balance and social welfare. However, there is a language barrier, and winters are long with only a few hours of sunlight. Taxes are high, the job market is competitive, and Finnish culture is more introverted. It's time to depart Finland for a country where you can drink wine in some hospitals. But first, here's a tip for learning a foreign language fast. Learn vocabulary in context within phrases, as we tend to talk about the same topics every day. Please subscribe to my channel for more first-rate content. Next up is France, ranked as the 20th happiest country in the world. It's known for its award-winning wines, natural beauty, and wonderful architecture, opportunities, and income. In-demand jobs are in healthcare, engineering, data science, project management, research science, HR, sales and marketing, finance, creative industries, and IT. Bonuses are commonly given. The average monthly salary is $5,400 to $10,800 for skilled professionals, and the gross wage is $64,000 to $129,000 annually. Expenses. The cost of living is $2,500 to $3,500 per month. However, Paris and large cities tend to be more expensive. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in downtown Paris costs $1,800 to $3,500 per month, and buying will set you back $8,000 to $13,000 per square meter. Certain tax breaks are available, especially for highly skilled workers, such as exemptions on part of their salaries. France has treaties with many countries that prevent double taxation. France tends to tax residents on their worldwide income, but expats can benefit from various deductions and credits, particularly for Social Security contributions. The average income tax is 30 to 45%. Work culture. French workplaces can be hierarchical and formal, with a strong emphasis on intellectualism and discussion. Likelihood that you will get promoted, moderate. Factors. France has a strong job market for highly skilled expats, particularly in tech, finance, and luxury goods. However, the French labor market is somewhat rigid, and language skills are important for advancement within many organizations. There is also a focus on protecting personal time. Culture shock. The formality in communication and strict adherence to working hours might feel restrictive for someone from a more flexible work culture. Social support. France has a vibrant expat community, especially in cities like Paris and Lyon. There are many expat clubs, cultural exchange organizations, and international associations. Government support. The French government offers integration programs, including French language classes and civic orientation. Expats can also receive support from consulates and various local organizations. Healthcare. France has a public healthcare system where most services are covered, but there are still some out-of-pocket costs, such as co-payments. Expats can access this system after registering, and the state pays for a significant portion of healthcare costs. Languages. French is the primary language, and while English is spoken in major cities, it is advisable to learn a few French phrases, as some locals are language purists. France has a national curriculum, so learners can pick up in one location where they left off in another. The curriculum is, however, very demanding and favors rigid testing. Primary and secondary education is free for expats. The tuition costs for university students from the EU is $184 per year. For non-EU students, the university tuition fees are $3,000 for undergraduate programs, while master's and doctoral programs cost $4,100. Safety, rights, and government. France is generally safe. France upholds the principle of non-discrimination, meaning that citizens and expats have equal protection under French law. It has a human rights score of 7 out of 10 and is classified as a full democracy. Climate. The average temperatures of Paris are 5 degrees Celsius in winter and 20 in summer, 41 and 68 degrees Fahrenheit, whereas Marseille averages 7 degrees Celsius in winter and 24 in summer, 44.6 and 75.2 degrees Fahrenheit. Holidays. You can enjoy 11 public holidays per year, which you can spend exploring the massive Louvre Museum, take in Mont Saint-Michel's panoramic views, or go on a tour of the decadent Palace of Versailles. Quality of life. France is known for its excellent healthcare system, rich culture, and high-quality food and wine. The work-life balance is often more relaxed than in some other countries. The cost of living can be high in major cities, but the quality of life in smaller cities or rural areas can be very good. However, dealing with French bureaucracy is challenging. The job market fluctuates, and French culture can be difficult to get used to. Coming up in Part 4, a country where you can drive really fast, and another that doesn't have snakes. Please click on the video in the top right-hand corner to watch Part 4. If it's not up yet, it will be very soon. You can also find it on my channel, Chase This Place. Thanks so much for watching.